everybody. Welcome to snowy, icy, rainy, sleety, whatever you want to call it, Chicago. We are on board this flight. I'm going to let the captain here do all the talking, and I'll update you on information that he may have missed in just a second. So please pay attention to the captain as he briefs our flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, good morning, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard United's flight 667 to Phoenix. Get ready to push off the gate here in a few minutes for an on-time departure. The flight time today from takeoff to touchdown, 3 hours and 7 minutes. Latest weather in Phoenix, some light winds out of the east, clear skies, and the temperature is currently 44 degrees. As you can see, there's just been a little bit of light snowfall this morning. We've already de-iced here at the gate, so we'll just be making our way straight out to the runway, and hopefully there won't be any extended delays, and we'll have you airborne and underway. We'll get back to you during the flight, update you with the latest weather and arrival time as we get a little closer. For now, please sit back, enjoy the flight. Welcome on board.
Yeah, what he said. Welcome aboard United Flight 667 with service down to Phoenix, Arizona. So, long story short, my initial intention was to go to Austin, Texas. However, there were no window seats available, so sayonara, Austin. And since I really didn't have a destination, I guess you could put it, I just hopped on whatever plane was available. And it just happened to be this Phoenix flight, which also happened to be the same plane I just came in on. How convenient! And this is what I was intending with, I knew where I was going, but you guys didn't until you watched this video. So anyway, let's get to my part of the briefing. We are currently at gate Bravo 9, and as the captain said, and as you saw earlier, we were de-iced at the gate, expediting departure. Props to them de-icers. We are aboard November 61898, a 3-year-old Boeing 737-924 extended range. I am seated in seat 7 Foxtrot, which is right up against first class, so I kind of got all the whiffs and smells from first class without being in first class. It was great. Anyway, winds here in Chicago are 320 at 10. 8 nautical miles of visibility. We have 2 reported cloud layers scattered at 1,300 and overcast at 3,300. The outside temperature is -1 degree Celsius, which is 30.2 degrees Fahrenheit, and the dew point is -3 degrees Celsius, which is equivalent to 26.6 degrees Celsius. We're going to be taxiing to runway 28 right today, shortened at November 5. Via Alpha 9, Bravo, November 2, November 5. Anyway, as you can see, we are being pushed back right now, so please enjoy this departure video. I don't have a full flight version of this video because some of my camera equipment decided to shout out on me. So I'm going to keep this taxi full length, not sped up. So in case you guys want to just watch the takeoff, which, to be honest with you, it's all I really watch. You're going to want to skip to about 16 minutes and 30 seconds for the takeoff. So in that case, enjoy the taxi. It's quite a long one. But welcome to Chicago. What do you expect?
Flight 10, please be seated for departure.
So I just thought speeding up this departure out of Chicago above all these cloud layers would be absolutely stunningly gorgeous. And sure enough, look at that, it is. It looks like we're flying over cotton candy. Isn't that great? Anyway, I'd like to sincerely thank you for watching this video. And I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tune into the Phoenix arrival because my camera, like I said earlier, decided to shat out on me halfway through the flight. And I wasn't able to capture that landing. I might post my cell phone video, but it's not really any good quality. Anyway, keep an eye out for that in case I decide. Otherwise, I'll see you on the departure out of Phoenix. And you'll just have to see where we're headed. Let me put it this way. It's to the West Coast. Feel free to hit that subscribe button and like button to let me know that I need to fly into Chicago more often. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.